How to flip text in Canva. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can flip text in Canva. To do so, first of all, you'll need to open any web browser of your choice on your device and in the search bar type in canva.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Now, within a while, you'll be taken to the official website of Canva. Once you reach this page, here select the recent designs, or you may also click on this create a design button at the top left, and then in this pop-up click on the custom size option from the left side. Now here you will need to enter the width and height of your canvas. Simply click on it and enter them. After that, click on create new design in order to create a canvas. By doing so, now you will be taken to this editing space. Once you reach to this page, here you will be able to see different icons at the left side bar. From here, select the text option. After that, you will be able to see add a text box option or the button at the top. Simply click on it and now here enter your text. Once after entering the text, you can resize it by simply dragging the corners. Since Canva does not allow direct flipping of text, you will need to either take a screenshot of your text or cut it using the Windows key. You will need to simply press Shift Windows plus S key from your keyboard and then you will be able to see this tool. Now you will need to place plus button at the top of the text and then drag it to cover the text. Once you have done it, you will be able to cut this text. Now you can simply click on the text and click on the backspace button or delete icon from this pop-up. You will need to paste the text that you have cut. Simply click on Ctrl plus V in order to add the screenshot or the text that you have cut previously. Once you have added it, you can also adjust it by dragging the edges, and at the top you'll be able to see the flip option. Simply click on flip and then you'll be presented with two different options. Now from here you can choose either of these options based on your preference in order to flip the image or text. So by following these steps, you should be able to flip text in Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.